Hi everyone, welcome to the Language Training Center New Concept English video classroom. And today we will learn New Concept English Book 1, Lesson 35, Our Village. Assalamu alaikum savodoshlar. G'oyat til tarbiyalash markazimizdanki mana shu yangi o'quv ingliz tilisining darsiga kelganlarni qarshi olamiz. Endi bugungi darsimizda 35-dars bizning yezimiz degan mana shu darsni o'rganib chiqamiz. Xo'sh, shundaqda darsimizni boshlab ketdik. Xo'sh, hamma 3 rasmni qarab qo'yinglar. Bu nima ekan? Birinchi rasm nima do'stlarcha? What is that? Okay, what is that? It's a village. All right. The first one is village. Okay. What about next one? Next one is river. Good. Daryo ekan qo'yamda. Birinchisi yiz ekan, yana birisi nima ekan? Daryo ekan. Endi mana tegirikchi. It's a school building. Okay. It's school building. Maktabning binosi. Maktab binosi ekan qo'yamda mana. Andaqda biz mushu darsimizga yangi so'zlarni bir tanishib chiqaylik. Okay. Birinchi so'z. O'qib qo'yinglar, nima deb o'qiymiz buni? Hozircha tovush va boshqa jihatlarni nima qildik? Biz mana o'qib qo'yinglar. Bu nima? PH nima deb o'qildi? Photograph. Okay, it is photograph. Photograph. Ma'nosi nima edi? Photograph. Photograph da bog'langan shunami? Surat. Apparatda olingan suratni deymiz photograph. Okay, next one is village. Okay, village. Village. Nima deymiz? Village. Birinchi tarjima village. Okay, village deganimiz yezi degan gap bo'ldi. Keyingi valley. All right, valley. Okay, valley, jilg'a. Okay, hill. O'xshashlar nima? Ayarib qo'ygan bu deb o'qiladi. Hill. Okay, next one chu. And the mayarma ayarib nima? Wife deb o'qiladi. Wife. Okay, wife. Ayali. Okay, next one is bank. Keyingisi nima ekan? Bank. Bank deganimiz hamda daryoning bo'yi yoki dengizning bo'yi. Water. Okay, water. So building. Okay, bina. Park degancha. And the park deganimiz bog'cha degan gap bo'ldi. Xo'sh, hamsa birinchi photograph, rasm, village, yiza, okay, valley, jira yoki jilg'a, hill, kichik tog' yoki to'pilik, wife degancha, ayoli, bank, daryo qirg'oqi, water, so building degancha, building bina, aqsi, park, bog'cha. Xo'sh, hamsa maniki shu bir uyan bor. Bu uyanda shu ustida xat to'slab qoladi. Sizlar mayandek uyg'urchisini yoki xanzovchisini asos qilib so'zni deb qilgan. Birinchisi nima ekan bolalar? What is that? Okay, first one is building, right? All right, next. Next one is bog'cha nima degan to'q? Park. Good. Okay, what is that? Watcha. Bu nima dedik? Su nima dedik? Su. Water. Good. What about next? Next one is bank. Yaxshi. Keyingisi ayoli degan nima bo'lgan to'q? Wife. Okay. Kichik tog' to'pilik degancha? Kichik tog' to'pilik? Hill. Ayt yaxshi. Voy, boshqasi ekan. Jira degan nima degan to'q? Jira. Valley. Okay, hill. Okay. Rasm, surat degancha? Photograph. Village degancha? Yiza. Yaxshi. Xo'sh, ham uyg'urchasini bir to'sib baqdi. Tarjimsini. Hamsa mana deb qo'yinglar. Birinchisi park. Park degan nima? Bog'cha, yaxshi. Building nima? Dabanglar building deganimiz nima? Bina. Okay. Water. Okay. Water degancha? Water. So. Okay, bank. And the bank degancha nima ekan? Bank of the river. Daryo qirg'oqi. Hill, to'pilik. Photograph, surat yoki rasm, shunami? Valley. Okay, valley. Jilg'a, wife, ayoli. Village deganimiz yiza degan bo'ldi. Okay, and the keyingisi between, along, into beside of another swim kengişçi degandek. Demek hamda between deganimiz o'ttirisda, orasida degan gap. Ikki narsaning orasida bo'lsa, ana between deymiz. Between two hills bo'lsa, ikki tog'ning yoki ikki tog'choqning orasida degan gap. Okay. Along bo'ylab. Okay, along the river, daryoni bo'ylab. Okay, into bo'lsa, ichib kirmak. Okay, beside. Okay, beside deganimiz yenidan degan gap. Ma bir degan bo'lmoqmi, side degan tarafmi? Shumak ning qishida bo'lmoq, endi bo'lmoq. Okay, off ayrilmoq. Masalan, turn off, turn on deymiz-ku. Shu off. Okay, next one is another. Yana birisi degan gap. And degan bir miti, other degan boshqa, and other. Yana bir boshqasi degan gap. Swim degan-chu. Swim so'zmak. Amsa so'zmak nimdir? Swim kirmak deganda nimdir? Into orasida bo'lsa-chu, orasida deganda-chu? Orasida between. Good. Ning qishida, bir narsaning qishida bo'lsa-chu, beside. Okay. Ayrilmoq bo'lsa-chu. Oh, no. Bo'ylamoq deganda-chu? Along. Yana birisi nimdir? O'ylab beringlar. 1 2 ready go. Okay, another. Ayrilmoq off. Night yaxshi. Swim so'zmak, into kirmak, between tepang. Okay, kirmak yaxshi. Beside. Okay, beside degan-chu. Ning yanada degan gap. Along bo'ylab. Okay, along the river deganda ishlami? Off ayrilmoq demakchi shu nima. Okay, next one is another. Yana birisi. Okay. Anda savolashlar, keyingi so'zlarni tafsiliy bir bugun o'taylik. Andaqda birinchi so'z nima ekan desanglar? Photograph. Okay, photograph. Endi men yaraqma photograph deganimiz nima desanglar? Surat degan gap, Surat. Bu nayati rasmiy holda aytilsa. Endi berasmiy deyilishi nima desanglar? Bo'lib ig'iz tildan photo deyiladi. Photo deganimiz surat. Nima desanglar? Shu apparat orqali tortilgan suratlarni odatda photograph deymiz, Photograph. Ana take photo yoki take a photograph deganimiz nima desanglar? Shu suratga tortmoq. Okay, suratga tortmoq. Take photo yoki nima? Take photograph. Okay, and what about this? And the resimde ko'rdim deydi. This is a photograph of our family. Okay. And bu bo'lsa bir surat. Nimaning surati desanglar? Of our family. Okay, bizningki, oilaningki bir parcha surati. Okay, this is a photograph of our family. Okay, this is a photograph of our family. And what nima deymiz? Photograph. Undan keyin sadoshlar. Misharga photograph deb balkim olgan bo'lishim mumkin. Uyg'urchadan photograph deymiz. Bu inglizcha deymiz sanlar photographer. Okay, photographer. Uni photographer deymiz. Hamda shu photograph keyiniga arda qatamiz, lekin menga urg'u o'xshamaydi. Hamda bu yerga urg'uni yoki tushirsan photographer. Bu t'ning ustiga urg'u tushadi. Demak hamda photograph degandan keyin nima qilganda hamda photograph deb qo'yamiz. Photograph shu photographing talaffuzi hamda bu shu surat tortishni talaffuz qilganda photographer. Okay, you can call photographer. Okay, photographer. A photographer. Okay, what about this? Next one is village. Okay, village. Okay, and the village deganimiz nima? Masalan, yiza, kent degan gap. Yiza, a village. And the villager bo'lsa, villager degancha, ama arqatilda yizliq, sahroliq deb qo'yamiz-ku. Shu yizliq, sahroliq deganni villager deymiz, villager. Okay. Qaranglar, bu resim qarasanglar nima? This village is very beautiful. Okay. This village is very beautiful. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Bu yiza haqiqatan qanday desanglar, intayin chiroyli. Bu yezi qanday desanglar chiroyli. Okay? Some villager is walking now. Hamda ba'zi yezilar yoki ma'lum bir yezidan kelgan kishi nima is walking now. Hozir nima mengayotidi. Okay. Next one is valley. Okay, valley. Okay, and the valley deganimiz jilg'ar edi, shunami? Jilg'ar deganimiz nima desanglar, ikki taraf tog' yoki do'nglik bo'lib qolsa, shuning orasida, shu ikki tog'dan tagir bo'lsa, shuni nima deymiz? Valley deymiz, a valley. Our village is in a valley. Bizning yezda nada bir shu jilg'iniki orasida. Demak hamda bu shu bizning yezda nari ekan desanglar, shu jilg'ining orasida. Yoki tog'larning orasida, demak ikki tarafida nima desanglar, tog' bor ekan. Okay, next one is between. Okay, between. Okay, between. Xo'sh, endi between deganimiz nima desanglar, orasida, especially between A and B. Between A and B. Masalan, bu rasm qarasak nima? The boy is between his mother and his father. Okay. And the bu bola dadisi bilan opasininki nimasi ekan? Orasida ekan. Demak, endi ikki narsaning orasida bo'lsan, between deymiz. Xo'sh, endi among bo'lsa. Among. Okay, among degan orasida degan gap. Bu among deganimiz odatda nima desanglar? Yoki uchdan yuqori narsalarningki orasida bo'lsa nima deymiz desanglar? Among deymiz. Among. Okay. For example, there are 5 people in the picture. Among them, Lucy is a teacher. Okay, Lucy is a teacher. And bu resimda 5 kishi bor. Hamda bu 5 kishining ichida Lucy, shu orasidagi Lucy qanday desanglar, o'qituvchi. Demak, among them degan shu orasida. Deganda, between degan ikki narsaning orasida, among degan shu 3 yoki 3 narsaning orasida bo'lsa, biz among deymiz. Among deymiz. Okay. Next one is hell. Hell deganimiz nima desanglar, do'nglik, to'pilik yoki tag'chaq deymiz. Masalan, otning kichkin taychaq deganda, chunman tag'chaq desam bo'ldi. Okay, so which is higher? A hill or a mountain? Okay, which one is higher? And qaysi bekra egizdak? Do'nglikmi yoki tog'mi? Of course, it's a mountain, right? Okay, mountain. Okay, endi misharga mountain deganimiz nima desanglar, tog' degan gap. Tog'. Okay, mountain. Hell bo'lsa, hell deganimiz nima? To'pilik. Okay. For example, our village is near the hill. Okay. Endi bizning yezimiz nimaga yaqin? Bir to'pilikka, bir do'nglikka yaqin. Our village is near the hill. Okay, next one is another. All right? Another. Xo'sh, endi another deganimiz nima desanglar, yana boshqa degan gap, Another. Okay, another. Yana bir boshqa. Masalan, another city, boshqa bir shahar, another country, boshqa bir davlat, another day, boshqa bir kun, another building, boshqa bir bino degandek. Yana bir boshqa degan gap endi bu yerda. Okay, and there is another job to do. Endi bu yerda nima? Yana bir boshqa qiladigan ish bor. There is another job to do. Okay, and qaranglar. Keyingisini give me a book. Give him another book too. Okay. And give me a book. Give him another book. Okay. And uningga yana birsini bering. Tushunami? Birsini men bering, yana birsini, demak ikki narsaniki yana birsini. Another. Okay, another book. Give him another book. Give him another book. Demak, another deganimiz yana boshqasi.